Yes guys, or shall I give that assignment also now? See guys, what you need to do, I'll just provide that assignment. If possible, you gather the information, otherwise it's okay. So what we will do guys, like now we will collect the real-time information from the uh, uh, this websites and all guys. So what you need to do is you have to go through the client's data based on various companies. You take very big companies like ABB Group, Godrej Industries. Take leave Indian companies guys. You take any other countries like from Spain, from Italy, from Germany, or from US based, Canada, or any different, like some big manufacturing companies are there based on various field. Like they can be mechanical industry, or they can go for construction related industry, or you can take electrical or electronics related industry, or you can go for even pharmaceutical industries guys. Pharma industries, you can go for that. You can even go for what I say, food related industries. Okay, or anything else guys, electrical or electronics I call it as. Now whichever field you are interested in, so I'll be sharing some of the key clients list in your group after this class, so you can go through them. Now one example I will take here, like say we have got uh, let us say like Walmart is there, or ABB Group is there. Okay, automation company. So ABB is a very good global technology company specialized in electrification and automation process. So headquartered in Switzerland, right? So we get a detailed information about this. So what we need to do, just get into the website of that ABB, and you look after whichever location you want guys. Let us say ABB Switzerland itself. We'll take from Switzerland. So this will be your client case. Okay. So what we need to do is we have to search for the products what they are manufacturing. So click on products. You can see a lot of products they are manufacturing. Which field you are interested in or have a knowledge about, you just go to that. So let us say metallurgical products are there. So I will go here and let us say what they are manufacturing. Okay, arc furnace, aluminum furnace. Okay, so many things like slab casting. So let us go for slab casting. Let us see what they're doing. Electromagnetic steering and braking devices for slab casting. So these are the products they are manufacturing, right? They're braking devices and electromagnetic steering, right, for slab casting. So as you can see, the process is very complicated here. So they are manufacturing that kind of things. So what I need to do is, here you see, so these are the some of the components they are selling in the market. So what I need to do is I have to get the materials required to manufacture this, right? So now suppose if I say, okay, so if I take this one, EMBR, electromagnetic brake for thin slab casting. So this is one of the finished materials, like a finished ready product which they are selling to the customers. Now to manufacture this, what they require a lot of products, like a lot of components, lot of parts, lot of raw materials and all. So I have to research about that case. So I'll say electronic electromagnetic brake. So take this, and let us say I'll just go to the next tab and I'll say electromagnetic brake components. You just do a research case, right? So it will say, so what all things are required. We require a field coil, a magnetic core, a armature, a hub attached to a shaft, right? So a lot of other things are there. So let us say I want this friction metals, okay, or disc or drum. The friction metals are required, so in which we add the linings and all, or here you can see springs are there as part of magnetic field generated by coil concentrating the magnetic flux. Okay, armature, magnetic core. Okay, brake disc or brake drum. So this is a component guys which I require. So who supplies this? Of course this, I hope they are not manufacturing, they're assembling. So I need the supplier of this. So I will again go to this tab, new tab, and here I'll say electromagnetic this drum suppliers in India. So search about that case, right? You'll get a lot of companies who provides this. Sometimes it might be used in what I say automobile segment also, not a problem. You just need to research about that case. So you just say here, so drum manufacturers are there, rmengineering.co in, or you can just go to this India Mart case, drum brakes in India, right? You can just go to this India Mart. So in India Mart you get a lot of suppliers, and you get a price list also guys, 9.99 per piece, right? And their material description also. So this is what you have to collect the information guys. Okay, so what you need to do, you have to get the information about the client list I will share. And after finding out the client list, search for the product. Okay, so the said product is the finished product which they are manufacturing, and then search for the components for that product, and search the suppliers who supply that components or parts, or you can say the raw materials itself. So I need these examples guys, right? So for the next topic, that is master data, before I start, I need these informations to be ready. So you can take an Excel sheet, you make a separate columns saying the client, the product. You take one product, so you know that for one product there are 10 different components are there. So for the 10 different components, you take different suppliers, one from India and one from the same country guys. Like we go on from the which country guys, which country belongs to Switzerland, right? You take it from Switzerland. Like I searched for this right here, drum or disc supplies from India, so you can take it from Switzerland also guys. So search for that. You'll get multiple company names here. You can just take those company names and you keep a name just like their what I say their location information, or their address information, their contact details, everything they will get it on the website. So if you just go there, right, you get their contact details and all their mailing systems and all. So just note down that information somewhere and keep it with you guys. That's it. That will be more than enough for us to proceed. So once you have this all information ready, that is the components information, the product information, and supplier. So likewise, one product we have got 10 components, so you make at least 5 components for each product, and at least get 5 suppliers for those guys, each line, right? So once you get that, similarly you take different products for the same client and you search it, because when you're going to go for purchase department, you will be working for multiple project size, sorry, multiple components and all to be purchased. You're not purchasing only one part every time, right? So you should have at least 10 to 15 components list, sorry, 10 to 15 products list, and for that multiple components. So and you gather the information about the material, their price, their description. You gather the information about the supplier for their address, location, pin code, contact details, or any GST number or any VAT number or TAN number is there. You gather that whatever is available on the website guys. That's it. And once you gather this will help us a lot for even interview purpose guys, and even for our next master data syllabus. Okay, so this will be your assignment case. So I'll be sharing the list of clients case. You need not to worry about this. You have to worry about to search their product, their components, and their supplier information. Getting it? So this will be your assignment which you have to complete. So you have time now again. I hope I've given a lot of time to practice the P2P cycle also. So what is your task now, guys? First, you complete the practice of P2P completely. You do revise once again. You work with these questions, and then you research about these things, guys. So if this is clear, right, guys? So automatically your interview will be very easy. Getting, guys? Getting, everyone? So practice it and complete the
Yes,
assignment.
yes.
We will meet back on Monday. So till then, I've given you a lot of tasks. So please do complete it, guys.